I'm going to be teaching you how to solve one side, just one, because I know how to do it. So, first, you're going to find so I want to tell you the little pieces. So these will be the corners. So the corners, they will move, but the center will never move. It will stay in its first spot. So first you want to find your most solved side. The side with the most pieces. So this is the side with the most pieces on the cube. So then you want, if you have an edge piece missing right there, you want to find one. So I found that one right there. Now if you get one of these on the bottom, then you turn your cube over to the missing edge piece. Cube's going to be right there, so match it. So then you're going to turn this part down. So that cube turns over here. Then you're going to turn this over 2 times. Turn it up. Then turn your other cube down. Then turn your other cube up. Now if you got a piece right here, turn it over. Then turn this over. So you see how turn that, so piece right here, turn over, down, and then back over. And then you can keep doing that with all the sides. So watch me. So if you have a piece right here on this edge, you're going to want to turn it this like that. So then you're going to go over. Turn this back up. Turn your cube to these sides or some missing sides. Go down and over. Back up. Then do the same on the rest. Now if you've got a piece of cube that you can match up right there, and there's 2 right here, you can turn both of these over and turn this down. Then you can turn the 2 back over and then up. Now you've got one more piece to do. So then so your last one, you know it's probably going to be on the bottom or one of these sides. Now if it's on the bottom, you're going to want to turn this orange piece to this piece to match up with that piece. So you're going to turn it over 1. Then so you have it matched up, you're going to turn this down. So you have that. Now you see how that cube over there, turn that over. Then turn it back up and voila, you got the inside of a Rubik's cube. Now let me scramble this back up. And show you me doing it fast. So I'm gonna solve one side of it fastly. So I'm gonna go for the most least. So this is the most least center. Did it. Now I know if the most least, so slide again. Probably this side. Then watch me. There you go. So you got your side solved, and then you got your one side of the cube solved. I'm gonna make a tutorial. Now, if you have a 2x2, you want to do the same thing, the same method. I'm gonna make a tutorial on that too. Bye guys, thanks for watching.